Hello and welcome. I'm Rich Henderson, a Senior Service and Support Representative with Sage50cloud. Today I'll be providing you with an inside look at Sage50cloud Accounting and show you the features and functions of this award-winning solution. A few things that you should know before we get started. Firstly, Sage50cloud is a hybrid solution. It's downloaded and installed to your Microsoft Windows-based laptop, desktop, or network for added security and reliability. But it features a suite of cloud-connected features for automation and productivity. Each feature is designed to make your life easier. For example, you can access your data remotely from a laptop or a smartphone or smart device, automate bank account reconciliation, automate expense entry, and other manual tasks. And you could also back up your data to the cloud. Secondly, Sage50cloud is known for its adherence to best practices. It has embedded accounting controls to promote ongoing accuracy and compliance. And regardless of how complex your business operation is, whether you have multiple departments, lots of inventory, or jobs or projects, Sage50cloud has you covered. Now let's get started. I'm going to open Sage50 Premium Accounting and show you how easy it is to create your first company. First, you can convert from your existing accounting program, or you can go to create a new company, answer through questions such as your company name, what type of account, general ledger accounts you would like to use. And we have a sample sets of accounts with about 100 or so different styles or types of companies. When you select each one, the chart of accounts is listed over to the right. Choose your accounting method. Choose your posting method, accounting period structure, and when you want your first period to begin. When you click Finish, the system compiles all of the settings, creates a folder to put all of your data in, and then opens to a setup wizard that will walk you through setting up all of your default settings for your customers, vendors, inventory items, and so forth. Now I'm going to switch gears just a bit. I'm going to open a company that already has sample data in it. Bellwether Garden Supply, our most commonly used sample company. It starts off or opens with our business status screen. The business status screen lets you know an overall status or well-being of your company's growth. You can see account balances, revenue year to date, vendors to pay, customers who owe money, and other charts and graphs that can help you quickly and easily determine how your business is doing. You can also click on reports and forms to get the same amount of information or even more information. Accounts receivable for information and history on your customers. Accounts payable for information and history about your vendors. Payroll, about your payroll information for your employees. General ledger for a detailed GL of all of your transactions. Financial statements, things such as a balance sheet, statement of cash flows, or about a dozen different income statements with comparisons to different periods and or different budgets. Inventory for your inventory items in history and use. Jobs for project management. Account reconciliation for your bank or checking accounts. time and expense reporting, company reports such as the audit trail, intelligence reporting, and report groups for end of month reporting groups. And then over on the left, we have tabs such as customer and sales. Customer and sales has the icons that are most commonly associated with sales type transactions. And we've automated certain tasks such as invoice payments. So that if you've set up one of our credit card payment solutions, either through PayPal, Stripe, or Paya, you can then open an invoice, click on the email button, and include in that email a Pay Now link that the customer can click on, verify their credit card information, and then the system will generate a receipt and mark the invoice as paid, and your company gets paid. All of those tasks are automated so that once you've emailed that invoice, your job is complete. Vendors and purchases has a very similar icon setup that has workflow for people who do purchasing within your company. We have a level of automation through purchase orders where you can auto create multiple purchase orders, select a date, and the system will generate purchase orders based on your vendor default settings and can tell you that you need to order from these vendors, these items with a certain order quantity and unit price that you've specified. You can change those items on the screen and then either print or email this directly to your vendors. Inventory and services. This is where you set up your stock inventory or inventory services that you provide. And this is where you set your minimum stock, reorder quantity, and preferred vendor for that purchase order automation that we discussed earlier. Employee and payroll. This is where you can set up in-house payroll. Sage provides things such as your tax tables and your tax form updates. You can also submit direct deposit. Jobs for your project management. Banking for account reconciliation and other banking tasks. Cloud and mobile. Here's where you can manage the connected feature for Sage 50 Cloud, such as Office 365. Once integrated, we have apps that can facilitate or help you manage your business. We have Sage Capture, Sage Contact, Sage Dashboards, Sage Intelligence, and of course, Cloud Backup. Thank you for watching this on-demand demo of Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. I hope it was helpful in evaluating the solution for your business needs. If you'd like more information, or if you want to schedule a one-on-one demo, please call the number on the screen to speak with a representative or visit www.sage.com.